Morning. We got a big old cleanup to do today. The grass is pretty tall. We got to trim a bush, get it all cleaned up and looking nice. That way these people can sell the house. So let's go take a look at it. And here we are. It's hard to tell on the camera, but all of this grass is knee to waist high. Just an abandoned house. We are going to remove all of the trash that's in the lawn. We're going to clean up all of the fence line here. Lots of ragweed and just volunteer growth all along the sides. There's a tree branch hanging back here. Got to trim up this bush and get everything mowed. It may be a little more difficult because it rained this morning, so this grass is going to be thick, but this grass being this tall, it's going to be full of moisture and thick anyway. Kind of hard to tell from the camera, but this grass, a lot of it is knee high, and then like sections over there and around it is waist high. So step one, gonna pick up the trash, pick up the limbs, and start cutting this down and go load it up in the truck. It still looks a little ugly, but it is much better. Now, it may not have looked like much on the time lapse, but I'm currently 4 hours and 18 minutes into this job. So I mowed it 4 different directions. It was tall enough. All of these clippings are still all stacked up on top of the lawn, but I went over them 4 times to try to clip them up or chop them up as much as possible. And I did tell the customer from the get-go, before I even started this job, said it is going to be ugly. I just want to warn you ahead of time. When you're cutting 3 feet off of the grass, it's going to be yellow, there's going to be clippings, it's going to be a little nasty. But I started off mowing it at full height, 5 inches, and then once I had gone over it a time or two, I dropped it down to 3 3/4 to try to make it a little more presentable. My goodness, that took a while, lots of work, but I did the job accordingly. Well, that's another cleanup in the books. Total time on site was about 4 hours, 45 minutes. It looks a lot better. I did take before and after pictures that I'm going to send to the customer, because if it's somebody that may not live in the property yet, they probably want to know that their money was well spent and that they can trust you. And if you offer to send before and after pictures, it helps put their mind at ease for having the work done. So I do still need to run to the dump to be able to put all of the clippings and the little tree sections, all that stuff. I got to take that to the dump. But that's it for the day. I'm gonna get back to work. Y'all be good.